Me no need you bomb me. Me good. I not need bomb. What I need is know how is the refrigerator running.
What you mean health running, Bled? I send bomb to your house. It's good, no? Then you will have nice surprise later.
No, no, I know that you have mini surprise come later. I just need know how your refrigerator run. Is it good, bad? It's important to know, you know? Hope you get back soon.
Okay, comrade. I tell you how fridge running. It's running very good. Recently we upgraded to run with nuclear power. So it is a very safe fridge, you know? It adds a little bit of spice to the food too, because of the radiation.
Your refrigerator running. You better catch then. Comrade, you better catch.
Oh, comrade, that's what I got you. I don't need catch fridge. The fridge catch me. If it run, it will explode, bled. I will not survive.